High formation behind him. Dropped the ball initially, gives it to Chris Brown. He's breaking away, and down the stretch he goes. One play. So we won't be able to give you any updates. Give off up the middle, and that's another touchdown for the Indians.
Formation.
There's the pitch. Goes to Chris Brown, and there's nobody there. He's to the 50. He's to the 40. He's to the 30, and down the stretch he goes. Touchdown. Gives it to keeps it himself, fakes it to T-Fed, keeps it himself. He may be gone, and down the stretch he goes.
Chris Brown's got the ball
Big
again, and he's
room.
got an open
He's
hole,
gone.
and he is off to the
Down
races.
the stretch he goes. Touchdown. Scoreboard update. Indians pitching, and he may be gone. And down the stretch he goes. Touchdown, Indians.